To create a new maintenance window, go to Maintenance window on your main menu. Add. Name the window. Choose the start time and the duration. Check your time zone. Choose whether you want to restart the task throughout the window or not. For the recurrence, you can choose 1 or more days of a week, monthly on a specific day, or a specific week on certain days. You can also choose the last day of the month, or, based on Patch Tuesday, a number of days after, or according to the week on specific days. When you've made your selections, save.